Okay, day 3 and final day. The guys have actually just left, so just give a quick walk around the install now. So electric off, emergency off feed, and power to both the back of the heat pump and obviously feeding from the fuse box. So finished behind there. Now in situ of where it will live. Trunking. Oh yeah, waste. So decycle mode. When it's cold, frost, it'll basically expel stuff that it spits out. So basically decycle, frost, etc., and go into the drain. So that's all nice. So all the pipe work, obviously around, over the gate, into there, and just filled in a bit there from the original flue for the boiler. I relocated the route now to the wastewater from the guttering and then into the garage again, and here we go. So cylinder, water cylinder, all the plumbing, they've obviously covered everything now, cable tied, looks really nice and neat job here. Everything labelled up, on off, expansions for the water, all the pipe work, really quite nice. Whether I'll put a little bit of I can feel the temperature on that actually, if I can bother putting some covering on those couple of little bits, don't know. So yeah, they've done all that, cabled it all up as well, manual, Wi-Fi connection points, power, etc., and then ran the cable in for the power to its another consumer box. So RCBO, SPD, the heat pump, a few spare, and one spare in its own right. So that is it. So really good job, 3 days work, end to end, with a heat pump and water tank. So now I need to play about with its settings and configuration using the Vaillant app, but leave the defaults, my installer said, James. So great, thanks James and Co. That's it for now. Bye.